Makaih.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to 520 Speedworks. We are currently still on the wrecked Cobra project. So today we're going to kind of be all over the place, but we're going to be getting ready, getting prepped. We're going to put the motor in so we can get some wires finalized and whatnot. You're going to see that in this episode. We're also going to just kind of start putting stuff back together. We're going to get like the brake reservoirs put back in. We're going to get wiring done. We're going to get heater box stuff done. So that's our plan for this thing. We're going to be kind of all over the place. There's not like just one set thing we're going to do. But hey, you got to do this to get into it. So with that, let's get started. So, all right guys, first thing we're going to do is we are going to work on our steering shaft. Basically what we need to do is we're going to put in 2 set screws, and all that's going to do is just kind of take some of this, a little bit of wobble out, but still allow, if there was an accident, for this thing to still compress in on itself. So we're going to drill and tap a hole here, drill and tap a hole roughly here, and that's what we're going to do. So here we go. Alright guys, so we're going to finish up getting all the lines tight. We got the clutch line that we got to put in down here. We got some 8L clamps, and I don't know if you can see this on the camera because I can't see the frame, but yeah, over here we're going to put where the reservoir goes and that kind of stuff. So that's what we're going to do. Here we go. Alright guys, we're going to put the motor back on first for the power steering, but first off, what we're going to hack this bar off. It's not needed. We're going to clean it up, make it look a little better. Just, I mean, it's ugly as it is, but we're going to make it look better. So we're going to hack that off right now. Alright, definitely cleans it up, gives it a much better, cleaner profile. Looks like it's supposed to be like that. So now we're going to go and put it on. All right, guys, now that we have the all the hardware on, so the motor and all that's mounted and whatnot, we need to mount the brain. Now you can mount the brain wherever you really feel like it. We're doing a nice little, we bent ourselves a little mount. Now we're gonna mount it to the F panel. It kind of fits, the angle's kind of right for the F panel, but we're gonna mount this to the F panel. So this is where we're at with it. We're going to drill basically 3 holes. This will mount on the F panel, and then this piece will mount on that. And it's going to mount right above. You'll see where it goes, but right above the motor. So that's what we're going to do. All right, so I bent this to this. It's got kind of a weird shape to it, so I bent it to that shape. So that's basically how it's going to go. And then this whole thing is going to sit just like that. Wires come up from the bottom, other wires come up and out and follow the way they need to go. So. Yeah, you can.
What were you doing?
My eyes, my glasses over there. Actually, they're right back. They're at the back of the car. Actually. No, actually, they're on top of that black and yellow box.
Oh. Oh, you decided to use safety goggles now that people are watching?
Well, that and I like my eyes.
Why are you drilling it out again?
No.
You're drilling more hole?
This is a natural reaction to how well this coating stuff works for Ashley.
What?
I wish we had the.
The outside's pretty warm. It's just not like.
Yeah, I mean.
The inside's not bad at all.
Like, that's hot. That's like putting your hand on a hot pan.
Yeah, but the inside,
Like, you cannot leave your hand
on it
because it burns. But then
the
you
inside's
touch. You touch the inside.
Oh yeah, no, that's.
It's remarkably different. I wish we had the.
Like temperature gauge.
We'll have to do it with the temperature gauge next time. Like show.
How much it actually cools.
All right, guys, we were pretty busy here, and I absolutely forgot to kind of tell you what we were about to do here. So that's what we're doing. Right now, we are pretty much just going to put the tranny on the motor, not putting the clutch or the flywheel or any of that, just putting it on because we're going to put the motor in here. What we're looking for is looking for clearances because we made the foot boxes so big. We needed to check for header clearance on the side walls and that kind of stuff. So with that, we're going to put it in. You're going to see that, and we're going to end up taking it right back out in the same episode. But that's what we're doing. So yeah, let's go.
Hopefully this actually looks cool. I
come
have
down
no
some
clue what
too,
that's actually
Keep
gonna
coming
look.
in. Keep coming in.
I'm kind of hitting over here.
Okay, go up if you need to.
Oh yeah, you go in that.
Let's come down. Let's come down a mile.
Yep.
This thing release fast.
If you make it.
Really?
Oh God, it's tight.
I tightened the hell out of it. Really over the frame right over here. Yeah.
It's okay, though. We're gonna go in the back some more.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down some more. I'm gonna go down a mile now.
Okay. Stop.
Hey, look, there's a camera down there.
Okay, come on. Stop. Okay. Go down. Stop. Keep going. Okay, I'm in the hole, so hold on, hold on this.
Now I have camera. We're good.
Okay, come on.
Can I come down?
Yep.
Damn thing on here again. Alright, ready now?
Yeah. Pretty much lined up with the slot. Just to go back a little bit, if you can.
Okay. Ready?
There, I'm in the slot. I don't know. I can't see the other side.
All right, guys. That's another one in the books. We're getting closer and closer to wrapping this thing up. Okay, so we're not close to wrapping it up, but we're close to checking things off as Adam laughs in the background. Things we got done, we got the steering shaft and box and all that mounted and good to go. Finalized, we got the brakes back in, our brake reservoirs back in. As you just saw, we put the motor in. Motor in gave us what we needed to know, where we needed to make some clearances for headers on the driver's foot box, which we've already made. A little bit of a hammer and a little bit of fun times, and that is now clear to go. We know where we have to finish running wires. So with that, we want to thank you guys for being here with us. Also, don't forget, please subscribe. Please hit that like button. If you have subscribed, we appreciate it. One more thing, come check us out, 520speedworks.com, get some t-shirts. So we will see you guys next time.